Improving sleeping habits is essential for overall health and well-being. Here are some tips to help you establish better sleep patterns. 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Develop a calming pre-sleep routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This may include activities like reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation exercises. 3. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with your sleep. Avoid electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime. 4. Make your bedroom comfortable. Ensure your sleeping environment is conducive to rest. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. 5. Limit daytime naps. While short power naps can be beneficial, avoid long naps during the day, as they may disrupt your nighttime sleep. 6. Watch your diet. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These can interfere with sleep patterns and disrupt your rest. 7. Get regular exercise. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep. However, avoid intense exercise right before bedtime. 8. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation or deep breathing to calm your mind before bedtime. 9. Limit fluid intake before bed. Minimize your liquid intake in the evening to avoid disruptions from frequent trips to the bathroom during the night. 9. Seek natural light exposure. Get exposure to natural sunlight during the day, as it helps regulate your circadian rhythm and improves sleep quality. 10. Consider your sleep environment. Invest in comfortable bedding and adjust room temperature to enhance your sleep environment. Remember that everyone's sleep needs are different, so find what works best for you and try to maintain these habits consistently. If you continue to struggle with sleep, consider seeking advice from a healthcare professional or sleep specialist.